Hey guys, welcome to another video. I noticed, you can tell that my other light's busted because this highlight on this side is like woo, and this one is like kind of not there. So today I wanted to add to the NARS singles Let's Play. So I'm gonna be using the NARS single shadows that are normal looking and a little bit of yellow. I want to have like a yellow moment with my eyeshadow that's really bright, but I wanted to have like a super blended smoky eye, like all over the eye, you know, for that shadow, for that yellow to pop out from. I already have all my makeup on, as you already know, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we'll get it started. I did my brows extra thick today. I've been on a thick brow kick and I don't know why, I just like them really thick these days. This looks really thick because I did it with only black, and I felt like if I made them really dark, you know, once I have the yellow, it'll pop even more because of the contrast. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start with the eyeshadow primer from NARS, the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. If you don't know, now you know. It's the best eyeshadow primer in the world. And I'm just gonna use a nude shadow from Kat Von D to, you know, use it as a base. Okay, so now I'm gonna start with the shadow. So I'm gonna use Galapagos, which is the darkest shade. I'm just gonna start working it into the inner corner. I always like surprising myself when I put the dark shadow right on the inner corner and I like really build it. It really opens up my eyes, and I think it's because I have a lot of flat space on the inner corner that makes my eyes look super flat. You know, that when I kind of add the dark right there, it creates a lot of dimension. It pushes the lid out like boom, and it's super pretty. I'm just gonna lightly blend everything with the ponytail brush. I'm gonna use a small crease brush to kind of create more of a winged effect. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna put it on the bottom. This is actually coming out really good. I really hate looks like this because they're so boring, but for some reason this is kind of interesting to me. And I'm gonna start laying down the next color. So this color, I am not gonna say the name right because it's totally weird. And if you know the story behind this color, please let me know because I'm dying to know. It's called Guayquail. Guayquail. And I'm using the Laura Mercier eye color brush. This brush is the best if you want to pack on color. Okay, it's looking pretty good. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add more of the Galapagos just to kind of shade it and make it darker. And I'm really gonna pack it on with my corner eye brush. Okay, and now I'm gonna grab a little bit of Tulum, which is the orange shadow. I'm just gonna transition that crease. Okay, I'm gonna go back with Galapagos. I'm just gonna redefine it. I'm gonna go with a little bit of Tulum and blend the bottom. Okay, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of a night braid with the Smokey liner brush around the lash line. Okay, now it's time to lay down the yellow, so I'm gonna get some white concealer and then we're gonna work on the detailing, BRB. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the shape of the triangles that I'm gonna have in the middle of the eye. I remember with this, the wider the better because we really want that gold to pop. Okay, so I'm gonna be using Douro with a little bit of water. Okay, I'm gonna use the Douro liner brush to make this a little sharper. So give me 1 second. Okay, and I'm gonna grab a tiny bit of Galapagos and just outline that triangle. Alright, let me put some mascara, eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is it for the look. So it came out just like I planned it. It's super dramatic, super smoked out. I'm actually really happy with these NARS single shadows. Like, they're actually super nice. They blend out nicely, they pack on nicely, they got some interesting shadow choices going on. Like, they did their homework. Like, I am happy. I'm so much happier than what they had before. And I love all these colors, especially this lid color. It has a reddish, copperish tone to it, you know? You know, this yellow is so bright. It came out just like I wanted it to come out. And I love that Nightbreed, even though it's a black, it blends so seamlessly on top of everything. If you want to make anything like a little bit darker, you can grab a big brush and just like, woo, smoke it out. As usual, I'm gonna be putting some pictures. I'm gonna be putting one video, because I don't do multiples, picture videos, you know, so you can see the vision behind the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you do have any questions, you can put them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check my Instagram so you can see my other looks and be inspired by my artistry. I am trying to create as many different looks as I can, and I wanted every single look to be its own thing. So I don't want it to do a lot of looks like just using different colors. I'm playing with different shapes, you know, different ways of expressing, eyeshadow. And I love it that you guys are here in this journey with me. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell button so you're notified when I have a new video. And if you can, drop a like and share. And I'll see you guys on the next one.